guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about dipping a valve cover. So we've done a couple of valve covers before on other videos, but this one is pretty cool because we're actually going to be doing it in something totally different than the carbon fiber that y'all normally see us do. So I say totally different. It's still in the same realm, but it's different enough for us. So we thought we'd shoot a quick video and show you guys what we're going to be doing. So we've got a Honda vtech valve cover here, and the customer is actually wanting it done in a forged carbon fiber. So this is going to be really cool because it's going to really show the full capabilities of how you can get a forged carbon fiber instead of even just a regular carbon fiber on a valve cover like this. So inevitably, kind of looking at this, you can see we've got a really deep recessed area right in through here. And so of course, yes, it is going to stretch in these areas right through here. Not a big deal. We can come back in, we can blacken this area, we can touch it up if needed. So it's not going to be the end of the world, but inevitably there is going to be a little bit of stretch in that. Other than that, you'll probably have a little bit of stretch coming back down onto this side right in here. So again, not a big deal, but you will have that. But also too, whenever you're looking at it, the Honda, with the way that it sits, you'll actually be seeing it just like that. So the odds of you seeing the stretch back here on the back is very, very minimal, but it is of course a concern. So what we've got here is we've got our forged carbon fiber. And so just to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like on the silver background, it's going to look really cool. So if you're not familiar with forged carbon, it's pretty much a bunch of chipped carbon that they add to it and they somehow forge it all together. It's kind of a newer process from what I understand. Again, I could be wrong on that, but just something different, kind of like what they do with the OSB boards and stuff like that. They use chips, and so same thing with the carbon. So it's going to come out really cool, and it's going to come out really different. And so we thought we'd shoot a quick video and show you guys the full extent of what you can do with this forged carbon that we've got. Also, if you're interested, we're going to have a link in the description below on where you can pick up the forged carbon. So that way, if you're interested in it, you can click the link and check it out there on the website. So let's go ahead and get this laid out and get this dipped.
Is that enough?
No, it's probably not enough. So let's go get some more. So let's lay this out here, get this set. All right, so we've got it all cut. Let's go ahead and get it on the water and get it soaking so that way we can show you guys the dipping. All right, so we've got this all clear coated and it came out looking amazing. So a couple of things, of course, as you know, we did have a lot of the stretch down in here. So of course we darkened that in just like what we were saying before. And then what we've went ahead and did is, in this case right here, we just did a black overlay over the top of this. So then that way it gave it a little bit of definition. You could see the Honda symbol, read the VTech and the Honda letters. So that way everything looks really nice and clean. It's not very flashy, but it does look really good with the forged carbon going all the way around it. And of course, you can see we've got a really good gloss and really good coverage of that forged carbon all the way around, even on the vent tube or any of these areas down in here. The stretch is very, very minimal all the way around. That's exactly what we want. So this part definitely came out looking amazing, and the customer is definitely going to love it. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything Hydrographics related, as well as if you're wanting to have a part like this done, definitely give us a call as well, and we'll be more than happy to do a part like this for you as well. Also, if you haven't already, already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks on anything hydrographics related. I'm Brian from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.